Hello everyone, this is Prerna Patil and today we are going to discuss about how to find the cube root of 12 using Newton-Raphson method. Find the cube root of 12 using Newton-Raphson method, correct up to 4 places of decimal. So the solution will be, first, we have to find the equation of cube root of 12. So equation will be x cube is equals to 12 or x cube minus 12 is equals to 0. So f of x will be x cube minus 12. F dash x will be 3x square. After applying Newton-Raphson formula with an initial guess x0 is equals to 2, we will have multiple iterations to get to our result. So the formula for Newton-Raphson is xn plus 1 is equals to xn minus f of xn upon f dash xn. For the first iteration, x1 is equals to 2 minus x0 cube minus 12 upon 3x0 square. So the value of x0 is 2. So we will put the value of x0 as 2 and calculate the values as 2 minus 0.3333, which will be equal to 2.3333. For the second iteration, the value of x1 will be put in the second iteration. So x2 will be 2.3333 minus 2.3333 cube minus 12 divided by 3 into 2.3333 square. So the value will be 12.7031 minus 12 upon 16.3328, which will be equal to 0.430. So the value of the second iteration of x will be 2.2903, since 2.2903 is the cube root of 12.